In the building! Yeah! Well done, girl. Louise, what did you think?
Oh, well done, Kaylee. You've got such a lovely voice, and obviously with that song choice, it was a lovely song choice. It showed us all of your top range. So if you were to get through, I'd like to see something that shows us a bit more in terms of like where you can take your voice, a bit lower, a bit higher, and show us a bit of range. But your top range has got such a lovely amount of power, and you can see that you really sit comfortably up there, which is really nice. And I think with a bit of help, I think you could get even more power behind it, you know, with the help with like your placement and like where you place your vowels, etc. I think you've got so much potential, and that was a really lovely audition. Well done.
Kelly?
Yeah, you should know from like last season that I'm like a huge fan of your voice anyway, because I say it every time I speak to you. But I'm glad you've come back.